Hey, what up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're gonna be fixing this bad lighting that I have in my garage. So let me show you what I got. I currently have these T10s, I believe. There's 4 of them. They're pretty decent light. You can see pretty good if you're just like working in the garage. But what I want to focus on is adding more lights on the ceiling and then running them from the outlet right there. And in order to do that, I don't want to run like any more wires down the walls because I cannot access the ceiling because there's a room on top. And these are the lights that I got. These are LED. I got 6 of them, 4 feet long each, and the brand is Berrina. And I'll also installed one of these in my dad's garage. And the way I'm gonna run these are gonna be on a separate switch, and I also got a wireless switch off of eBay, and let me show you how that thing works. It comes with a small switch and has a switch controller right here. And if I turn these lights on, right now this one is not connected to a switch, the 2 are. So if I hit the button, they come on. So which means I do not have to run any wires down here. So I can even have the wireless switch in my car, in my pocket, anywhere I want. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna install the lights up there and on that side, and then we're gonna run a power to all of them. And I also got some wires, and these are the wires that come with the lights. You can run each light individually if you want. There's jumpers, or you can link them together. So I'm gonna be linking mine. So first step is get them up, position them up, and run the power. And I also wanna move this logo over here on that wall and change out a little bit here. All right, so far the lights are up. Also ran plastic conduit on the ceiling where the wire is gonna go. It's gonna come to a T, and then these ones are connected as well. And it's gonna come, and we're gonna get the power from this outlet. And this is how the new outlet is gonna look. So we're gonna route the power, and we're gonna make a hole on this one. But right now, we're just gonna run the wire first. There's a closer view. There's my boxes. Alright, everything is installed, pre-wired, lines, everything, and let's see the switch. It's so bright in here. Camera doesn't even do it justice. See how fast this thing is? I'll make her close the garage. Alright, with the garage closed, boom. It's so bright everywhere. Perfect. Warm light, cool light, so it should be cooler out to 4500 Kelvin. Alright, the lights are installed. I love the way they came out. It's super nice and bright. I just gotta clean up, install my power strip under the TV. Everything is wired up to the code. And now no matter where I stand in my garage, I'll have a good lighting. So now I can do more projects and more videos. So until next time, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.